What do I tell people about working for Bartlett West? I'm not ashamed to say I wish I would have found it 10 years ago. I'm serious about that. My name is Hoffman. I'm a lead construction engineer technician for Bartlett West. My job is basically to observe the contractor during construction to ensure that they're following the plans and specifications set forth by Bartlett West. What the water storage reservoir does is add additional storage for the community to be able to utilize water during demand times or for firefighting purposes. During my time at the water district, we underwent 4 expansions of the water system with Bartlett West as our engineer. Approximately 1,000 miles of pipe with several thousand users. Kind of at a crossroads where I was a project manager for 10 years and I didn't really want to be maybe in charge of the entire projects in that capacity. It seemed like I wanted to be in the water industry, but maybe not necessarily running 30 people and timelines and schedules. Maybe I'd give inspecting a chance, see if that, because you're still out in construction and you're not necessarily in charge of the whole project. I should maybe give Bartlett West a shout and see if they'd have room for me. It seemed to be a place where when people worked there, they had extended careers. They possibly even retired from Bartlett West. So tells you a little something about the company that it must be a good place to work.